Good morning, student. How are you? I hope you are well and fine. In our school, first time we started online classes due to COVID-19. Stay home and keep healthy. In our class 6 NCERT book, read chapter 1 what, where, how, and when. First off, know about the past. There are various things that we can find out from the evidence, such as what people ate, the different kinds of clothes they wore, and different kinds of houses in which they lived. Thus, we can analyze the past. The past lives of hunters, herders, farmers, merchants, priests, craftsmen, artists, musicians, and scientists can easily be known as such sources of the past. In the same way, how, when, and where in today's topic is announced. How important are dates? Come to the point. How important are dates? There was a time when historians are fascinated with dates. There were heated debates about the dates on which rulers were crowned or battles were fought. What is the meaning of debate? The meaning of the debates discussion on an important topic of public interest. Historians, meaning of the historian, one who writes about the past, how things were and how they changed. And this is depend on past and event of the past. There were heated debate about the dates on which rulers were crowned or battles were fought. In the common notions, history was synonymous with dates. You may have heard people say, I find history boring because it is about memorizing dates. It is such a conceptual truth. इसी का इज ए स्टूडेंट stand up please. When was India independence? Tell me. Yes, 1947. This is the correct answer. Year and this is the conceptual truth and it is fact. Everybody accept this fact. History has been associated with dates and events. It is about before and after. Initially, it was an account of battles and big events about rulers, policies. Dates were important because a certain event had happened on that day. This is related on past event, crown or battles were fought in the former time and ancient or medieval time history. In our book, figure number 1 is explain Brahmans offering the Shastras to Britannia. Front page to the first map produced by James Renell 1782. Renell was asked by Robert Clive to produce maps of Hindustan. An enthusiastic supporter of the British conquest of India, Renell saw preparation of maps as essential to the process of domination. The picture here tries to suggest that Indians willingly gave over their ancient text to Britannia, the symbol of British power, as if asking her to become the protector of Indian culture. What is the meaning of the picture? Protector of the Indian culture. Any doubt in this topic? What is the meaning of the history? Say, anybody stand up? Student? History is the study of past. Very well. Sit down. Thank you. Today class is over.